In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies on Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect tasks so your projects flow in the right order and nothing starts before it's truly ready. First, it's important to know that dependencies in Asana are a premium feature. That means you'll need a paid subscription, like a starter, advanced, enterprise, or one of the older premium or business tiers. If you're on the free version of Asana, you won't see these options. So before you begin, make sure you're logged into an account that has access to those paid features, or check with your Workspace admin if you're unsure. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and open the task that you want to make dependent on another task. This is the task that cannot start or cannot be completed until something else is done first. You can open it from your project board, your list view, or even from your My Tasks section. Just click on the task name so the detail pane opens on the right-hand side of your screen. With the task open, look for the option that lets you add a dependency. Depending on your version of Asana, this will appear as Mark as Waiting On, or it may show up as Add Dependencies. Both options do the same thing. You're telling Asana that this task is blocked by another task and needs to wait. Click that option, and a search field will appear. Here, you'll type the name of the task that must be completed first. This is the task that your current one depends on. As you type, Asana will suggest matching tasks from your projects in Workspace. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have similar task names across different projects. When you see the correct task in the list, click to select it. As soon as you do, Asana will link the two tasks together. Your current task will now show that it is waiting on the other task, and the other task may show that it is blocking this one. This visual connection makes it clear to everyone on the team which work has to happen first. That's all there is to it. By opening the task, choosing the dependency option, and selecting the prerequisite task, you can keep your projects organized, reduce confusion, and make sure your team is always working in the